Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating the exact same model that I just demonstrated on the last video, except on this one, the customer has requested the pretty much all the bells and whistles, modern internal conversion with a new speaker harness for greatly increased output power. This is going to boost your output from about 4 watts per side to 22.5 watts per speaker for up to 4 speakers. The customer has also requested my cool master input output box for connection to an external amplifier. Also has your aux input right there. And of course we got the 8-track feature, so let's make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions.
Is for roots and fruits. If you want bigger
AM radio.
Use that middle number. The last number, potash or nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, that's for
fader.
Disease resistance.
Fader adjust.
Okay, all the way
30
front.
So nitrogen,
All the way
phosphorus,
rear.
you want a balanced
Front.
fertilizer
Rear.
here, not
Okay, I'm gonna
just
center 'em.
nitrogen or manure. You want
Fader
Fader set.
so there's
Okay.
a place for both.
Left, right, balance.
So anyway, I can go
Balance adjust.
Okay,
now here is
all the way left.
fertilizer now.
All the way
Take
right.
advantage of the right. You can't
Left.
do it enough. Use synthetics.
Right.
Use organics. Come get my 744 all-purpose food if you just don't know.
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's make sure it plays music off a USB stick.
It can be found throughout the week at Waters Garden Center, located in Prescott, 1860.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
1,000 roses.
Okay,
Actually,
now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 preset sets of stations in my area for a quick test. So we're on FM now.
He can bless you, awaken.
That one drifted a little bit. Just reset that one. There we go. Okay, 8-track. You have the end of a song there. Alright, pull the tape out, radio comes back. Okay, let's set the dial light real quick. We are good. Okay, she's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the... I guess I'm going to do some packing after this one. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a 15-minute barrage of questions about my options, prices, and turnaround times, because that's all in the work order, and you'll have those questions answered as you're filling it out. That way, if you still want to call me, that's fine, but this makes it like a 4-minute conversation instead of a 20-minute conversation, which keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, John, for your business all the way from Liberty, Missouri. That's my home state, and we'll see you guys next time.